With the end of support for Windows 7 and Windows 8.1, recent stat counter figures show that their user base has dropped significantly in February, with Windows 7 market share almost cut in half. Windows 10 benefited the most from the exodus, with a 4.39% uptick for February to hit a 73.25% market share. Looking back, in the 2 years after Windows XP ran out of support and security updates, it still held a 10% market share, but Windows 7 won't likely be that lucky. The market share of Windows 7 has dropped from 9.55% to 5.39% and Windows 8.1 from 2.28% to 1.15%, indicating a clear shift from these two outdated operating systems. In terms of people migrating to Windows 10, overall shares for Windows 11 were also bolstered somewhat to the tune of a smidge over 1%, now at 19.13%. That said, with the end of security updates for Windows 7 and 8, many users have heeded the warning and have made the switch to Windows 10. It's worth noting, however, that these are just one set of figures and we have to be careful not to draw too many conclusions from them. Perhaps we'll start to see Windows XP's lingering user base slowly moving to Windows 10 as well, since, despite being 20 years old, the OS still holds a share of the market. Only time will tell.